In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that pesky white blank space in the footer of your Wix website. If you're like many Wix users, you might have encountered this issue where an unsightly white gap disrupts the clean look of your site's footer. No worries though, as we're here to tackle that problem together with a few simple steps. First, we'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the main workspace where you can make modifications to your website. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and logging into your Wix account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled My Site and select the website you're currently working on. This will lead you into the editor, where you have full access to your website's design. Make sure you're in the right place and have a steady connection for a seamless editing experience. Now direct your attention to the footer area, where the white space appears. This space can result from adjustments or elements not optimally aligned, which can be frustrating when you're aiming for a polished look. You'll typically find the footer at the very bottom of your page, serving as the final complementary piece of your web design puzzle. Familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't yet. It's essential to understand how much space you see and where exactly the issue lies. Once you've zoomed in on the affected area, it's time to get hands-on. Look for the double arrow marker hovering over or beside the white space. This is your primary tool for resizing sections on Wix. When you spot it, click on the arrow. Holding down your mouse, gently drag the arrow up or down. This movement adjusts the spacing and will help you align the footer seamlessly with your page content above. Be sure to make slight movements to maintain control over adjustments, stopping periodically to check your progress. Besides visually removing the white space, you'll also get a sense of how the footer feels in relation to the rest of your page. A quick tip here. Take a moment to scroll up and check how these adjustments impact the overall visual flow of your site. Sometimes, fixing the footer can subtly change other elements, making it crucial to maintain balance throughout the whole page. Also, remember that changes in the editor need to be saved and published to reflect live. And there you have it, a quick, easy way to give your Wix site that clean, professional touch by dealing with the unwanted white blank space in the footer. With these steps, you now have one more piece of expertise to bolster your skills as a Wix site creator. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to save your changes and publish your site to see these